Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to learn about principles of object oriented programming. As we all know, Python is also an object oriented programming language. So today we learn about inheritance in Python. So guys, inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits another class method and properties. So basically, I'll give you an example. Basically, genes. We inherit certain characteristics and properties from our parents. So that is nothing but inheritance in Python. It's just an example. Hope you understood the analogy. So first, let's get familiar with these two terms, one which is the base class and the derived class. The class whose methods and properties are inherited from is called base class or a parent class, and derived class is that class that inherits methods and properties from another class. It is also called as derived class or a child class. So guys, today we will be developing an web program where we will be giving an user two options, either a burger or an iced americano, along with their toppings, in which he or she can choose toppings and use it. So guys, first we will import tkinter from tkinter import star. Don't forget to add the asterisk symbol. So now we'll import the ttk module from tkinter import ttk, because we'll be using combo box, or it's also called as drop down. So we'll create a root window. Root is equals to tk, enter, root dot geometry parenthesis. We'll give it as 900 cross 650. It's pretty big, but it's fine for us. Now we will add a label, and the web program's name would be rdonalds. So label heading is equals to label of root comma text is equals to r donalds. Forgot a d. And we'll give the font in the form of a tuple, and font is equals to parenthesis. We'll give the font style as times, and font weight as font size as 40, and font weight as bold is equals to orange. And we will now place the label here. Label underscore heading dot place. Rel(x) would be 0.12, rel(y) would be 0.1, and we'll give it the anchor as center. Yep. And now we will add another label called label select dish, and we'll just go to the next line, and I'll just make some spaces so that it will be easy to read. And label sh select heading is equals to label of root comma text is equals to select dish. And we will give the font in the form of tuple, but here we won't give the font weight, so we'll just give the font size and font style. So the font style font is equals to we'll say times and comma 15, and we'll just give it an text color. We will keep it as fg is equals to black. Let it be black. And we'll now place it. Label sh dot place. rel(x) would be 0.06, rel(y) would be 0.2, and anchor would always be center. Next we will create a list called as dish. It is a 1D list, so 1 square brackets. We will give as two options. burger, you iced Americano. Now we'll create a drop down called dish drop down. So dish drop down is equals to tk dot combo box. It's a class here. Inside the brackets we give it as root, and we need the state here, read only. We have to give it in double quotes, read only value dish. Right, so now we'll place this dish drop down dot place. Alex would be 0.25 and the y would be 0.2. Again, anchor would be center. We will create a label essay with label of root comma text is equals to select add-ons and comma, again we'll give it a font in the form of tuple times and 15. So no wait again. So now we will place this label sa dot place. Relax would be 0.25 and rel y would be 0.5 and anchor would be center. So now we'll create an empty list called toppings. Toppings is equals to 0. So now we will create a drop down called toppings drop down. So it will just show the drop downs which are available for the dishes, which is burger or the iced Americano. So now we'll give it as tdd is equals to ttk dot combo box. Yep, here combo box, and inside this we'll place it on the root window. State again we need it as read only, and now the value would be toppings. Why we have given the list as an empty list, you will realize it in the next video. So tdd dot place relax would be 0.25 again 25, rel y would be 0.5 and anchor would be center again. And yes, and now the food isn't for free, right? So now we'll create a label which shows the amount for the selected dish along with its toppings. So now you'll just give it as A, which stands for amount. Label of fruit font would be equal to times, and will come out of this double quotes 15 and bold. Okay, and now we will place this A dot place of relax would be 0.2 and rel y would be 0.75 and anchor would be center. So yeah, this is done. So this is our GUI for the video, guys. So we'll just put root dot main loop. Right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Press the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share the video. It helps me a lot.